Welcome back to Standard 3. I am Swapnali Khadare, working in KK English School, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. See students, in the last video we have learned one poem. Now we are starting another lesson of our English textbook. So today's lesson is also very interesting. So first of all, I would like to ask some questions before learning that lesson. So I would like to ask you first question. Which is the primary occupation of India? Yes, farming. Yes, very good. Farming is our most important and very primary occupation of our India. So what type of activities we are doing in our farming? Watering, harvesting, cultivating, then many other activities we are doing. So now in today's lecture we are taking some information about how we have to grow the garden, how we have to make a garden beautiful. So today's our topic is go and come. With this from this lesson we are taking such kind of information about the blowing the garden. So it is a small story about a little boy. That story, I will summarize the story here first, then I will read the text and I will explain it. So in this chapter there is a one little boy. Once there was a little boy. He was living with his family in a simple house near the farmhouse area. And that in that garden there are different kinds of plants and flowers were growing. So for that garden there are lot of work to every family member. What kind of work they were doing there? The plants had to be watered every day. Then they had to give given manure from time to time, as well as they had to be cut and pruned at the right time. From that such kind of activities you can see here that prune means to remove unwanted part from the garden, as well as the weeding means the garden needed weeding and cleaning. Time to time it is compulsory there. So in that family, all the members of family were doing work in the garden. And in the little boy's family, once that boy's uncle came there, and that uncle was very strict. They came to stay with them as a guest, but that uncle was very strict and he was believed in hard work and discipline. And one day that boy was playing in the house. That time that uncle saw him and he told him, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding now. Go now and weed it. That time that boy became very sad. Why this uncle is giving me an order? That time that boy became very sad and he replied to the uncle, but I want to play. I don't want to weed the garden here. That time that uncle said that boy is very naughty. He is not listening to me. So but the uncle told him very strictly. He gave an order to him. You must have to weed the garden here. By listening this sentence, that boy became very sad, unhappy, and he was almost welled up. He was started to cry there. And at the same time his mother came there and he asked him, what's the matter, little boy? Why do you look so unhappy? That time the boy replied, uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. And that time mother said him, it's not a bad work, you can do it very happily. Come with me, I will help you to weed the garden. So they togetherly went in the garden. They weeded, the two of them weeded the garden very beautifully and had a very good time together. And by doing the work of reading with the mother, that boy became very happy and he has done his all activities very happily. Now I will read the lesson. You just have to pay attention in your textbook and go through the textbook. First I will read it. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means what? A small simple house, which we can see mostly the cottages in the rural areas. Okay, and after that there was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. Means, see children, that boy is having a beautiful garden around his house, and all the family members were doing the work in the garden. Then in that family, once that boy's uncle came there, and he came there as a guest. And one day that uncle saw that boy is playing in house. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. That uncle was very aware about the discipline. Discipline means what? They are always taking care of that everyone must be obeying the rules and orders. He said to the boy, "Little boy," said the uncle, "you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly." Weeding sadly. Weeding means what? Removing troublesome, unwanted plants from a field or a garden. Then sadly. Sadly means badly. Sadly's meaning is badly. Means what we have to take here means use that words with a, it is most needed, it is most wanted, you must have to do. For that time we are using sadly. But the little boy did not feel like reading that way. You know very well children that every time your mood is not happy, that anyone will come and anyone will say you have to do this, you have to that time you are becoming so unhappy that why these persons are giving me such type of orders here, and your mood is not there, you are not willing to that. So that little boy said, I can't do it, he said. But the uncle said, yes, you can. Well, I don't want to, not just now, said the little boy also replied to the uncle that I just don't want to do now only. But uncle said, it's my order, you must have to do it now only. And that uncle was very strict and he is aware about the discipline. So he gave an order to that boy and he went away from that place. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. Unfair means evil, unkind person. Means he can't show any sympathy with any person. So his chin began to open. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Means after giving an order to that boy became very sad, very unhappy, and he almost up to cry now. His throat and eyes welled up. Means anybody shouts on you, that time you are not feeling well and you are almost up to the cry mood, you are crying there. That case, that boy was in that mood and he became very sad. And so, and the same time his mother came and he asked him, that mother asked him, what's the matter little boy? She asked, why do you look so unhappy? And that boy told that uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. but I don't want to do that work. I want to play now. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be. I love to win, and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to win? That time mother tells him that it's not a bad work. We can do it togetherly. It's a very funny work, enjoyable work. We will do it. Why? Yes, and you know children, if any work is told when your mother is telling to you, that time you are becoming happy because mother is the most nearest person for you. So that whatever the mother is telling, you are agree with that. So that the boy went with the mother and he went in the garden, and the boy got up readily. Readily means what? Quickly and without any hesitation, any difficulty. So, and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. In this way, that boy was ready to work in the garden. They made the garden very beautiful by weeding and cleaning, and that boy also enjoyed his work. And also, so children, I hope so you have understood this story. Read it at home and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.